Now, chapter number 1, Introduction to Sociology. Meaning of sociology. Sociology is the study of society, or the science that deals with the society. The term sociology was coined by Auguste Comte, who was a French philosopher in the year 1830. He is said to be the father of sociology. This term sociology is derived from a Latin term societas, which means society, and a Greek word logos, which means study or science. Therefore, sociology is the study or science of society. It has been defined by different scholars as, according to Auguste Comte, sociology is the science of social order and progress. Society में क्या ऑर्डर है and how the society is progressing, इसकी जो स्टडी है that is sociology. Ward says sociology is the science of society or of social phenomena. Society के बारे में पूरी जानकारी is the science of sociology. Is sociology, and all the social phenomenon that are performed in the society are studied in sociology. Ginsberg is of the opinion that sociology is the study of human interaction and interrelations, their conditions and consequences. How a human being interacts with another person, how they are interrelated, one human being is interrelated to the other human being, what are the different conditions and consequences of such interaction and interrelations. According to Emile Durkheim, another famous sociologist, sociology is a study of collective representation. Means how is the study of social groups, how the groups, social groups, they interact in the society. These definitions conclude that sociology is concerned with the way the individuals interact with each other and the establishment of various forms of social relationships in different social groups. So, from the above definitions, two things come into being. One is your social interaction, that is the human interaction, means reciprocal contact between two or more persons, and the responses. This process occurs whenever and wherever human beings respond to the action of other human beings. असर एक ह्यूमन बीइंग पे किसी दूसरे ह्यूमन बीइंग के एक्शन का क्या असर होगा. Interaction can be direct or indirect. If I am talking to a person, that is direct interaction, and I am influencing that person. He understands what I am speaking. It is direct interaction. Indirect interaction is I am studying a book written by a great philosopher and I am understanding what that philosopher wanted to say. This is indirect interaction, where I am not in direct face-to-face interaction with that person, but whatever he said, maybe in present or in the past, I have understood everything that he wanted to express. So this is social interaction. Then social relationship. Men and women everywhere deal with one another as members of groups. Every human being is born into a group and spends his lifetime in patterned social relations. Everything a man does is closely bound up with that others do, and for him and with what others accept and accepts from him. So, social relationship is the relationship between men and women everywhere deal with one another as members of group. So they are, men and women, they are members of group and they deal with each other. Every human being is born into a group. हर human being एक group को belong करता है and spends his lifetime in patterned social relation. और अपनी पूरी lifetime एक fixed pattern of social relations में बिताता है. Everything a man does is closely bound up with that others do. Whatever a person is doing, he has learned it from the others. And whatever he is doing at present, it will be done for someone else. Maybe at present or in the future. Social relations exist when individuals are interacting in an orderly or a patterned way. So this social relationship, it will exist when there is an interaction between the individuals in an orderly and a well-patterned way. These relationships are revealed when individuals interact with each other. A set of several relationships taken together constitute a social structure. When different types of relationships are taken into consideration and are studied, then that particular a combined phenomena is called as social structure. The sociology as the study of social institutions deals with political, economic, educational, religious, family and other institutions.